Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Liz. Today I'm doing a wash and go and I'll be reviewing the Garnier All Blend Honey Treasures. I will be using the product for this wash and go. Now if you want to hear my full review of this product, then stay tuned until the end of the video. So guys, I did not pre-poo my hair because I wanted to really test the product out and see how my hair will feel afterwards, okay? So now I'm using my spray bottle to wet my hair before I apply the product. I am starting off with the shampoo. I'm going to put a good amount of it in my hair and then applying to my hair. The shampoo looks silky. I think it's because of the honey ingredients in there and it smells really amazing. Guys, as soon as I put it on my hair, it lathers so fast and it's so gentle on my hair and I could feel it cleansing it. Guys, wow, this product is just amazing. A little goes a long way. As you can see, and also by the way, this shampoo does have sulfate, yeah, but it's paraben free. And one thing I want to mention is that this shampoo is very moisturizing, guys. I did not expect this, seeing that the price is very inexpensive. When I saw it at my drugstore, I did not I did not want to buy it. I judged it because of the price. But honey, don't judge the book by its cover. The product is very good. As you can see, guys, I'm very excited. I feel my hair very cleansed, very clean. My scalp, oh my god, it's just wow. After I rinsed out my hair, I went in with a conditioner. I applied a generous amount of it, making sure that all my hair gets enough conditioner, and as soon as I put it on my hair, I could feel my hair very soft and it smells divine, guys. This product, oh my god, I am just falling in love with it. It is very good. Like, for the price, this is very good, and the consistency is just amazing. Not too heavy and not too watery. So I'm just showing you guys how the consistency is on that little clip over there. I'm just showing you guys a short video of how I washed my hair after conditioning it. I could detangle very easily. My hair was very soft, guys. Next, I move on to the repairing mask. You know, I like the smell of this mask as well. It's smelling very nice. You know, it looks like butter. The consistency is creamy, not too heavy and not too watery as well. Guys, to be honest with you, I did not like the mask at first. When I applied it to my hair, it did not give me enough slip. Also, while applying it to my hair, I made sure that I apply a generous amount of it because I really wanted it to work on my hair, as you can see. Also, the packaging says that I should leave it on for about 1 to 5 minutes, but I left mine for a good 45 minutes, honey. Yes, honey. 45 minutes. The result was a bomb. My hair was soft. Wow, this product is just amazing, guys. Amazing. So the reason why I left mine for 45 minutes was because I had some errands to do in between the 45 minutes. So basically I had to leave it on for this long, but you can leave yours for 5, 10, 15 minutes. That's definitely up to you guys. Also, seeing that my hair is 4C, and of course I cannot leave it on for 5 minutes. Come on guys, 4C hair. It's not a joke. After I rinsed my hair, guys, I applied some grapeseed oil on my hair and my hair felt very soft. So yeah, all in all, I really like this product, guys. So that is my review. I really like the product. As always, I am using my plastic bag just to cover my hair, and I also used this towel just to bring in some heat. You know, I need my hair to be very well conditioned.
What's up, yo? Say what's up, what's up?
What's up? What's up?
So what's going on?
What's going on?
Say peace, y'all.
The peace, y'all. Don't forget to subscribe.
Say bye.
Say bye.
And also join the fam by subscribing to this channel. I really appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Leave a comment below and tell me if you are going to try this product and how it felt on your hair after you've tried it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.